We'd like to invite students into deepening your understanding and experience of the sacred holy music in yourself and in all creation. One of the focuses will be the origins of holy sound. Allah said, "I was a hidden treasure that loved to be known. And so I created the creation to know myself. And out of love that everything was created." This is a hadith from the Prophet Muhammad. It's also similar to "in the beginning was the Word," because the hadith also says, "I took the light from my essence and I said, be." Be the first creation. Allah. And the Sufis teach, as the Abrahamic tradition teaches, that we human beings we carry the essence of God in the deepest layer of the heart. We are given that creative capacity. That capacity in our own way to say be, to create our lives, our work, our families, to bring healing or not. We have choice. And in this course, one of the things I'll be teaching is how to refine the vessel so that what we bring is beautiful, is healing, is not from the self so much, but from a deeper level of inspiration.